like to ask you that how did you manage your time effectively with your hobby? And what is the role of your parents and teachers in your success?
I have always managed to cope up with my academics and my interests with effective time management and setting specific goals for each day. Also, I balanced my keen interest in music and academics with by allotting time for them separately. Also, the role of my teachers and parents in encouraging me was very great. They have always guided me with various valuable insights which have helped me to shape my success as a student. Also, my parents provided me with valuable resources that helped me to excel in my academics. And also, they reminded me of my academic responsibilities with keeping in mind that I don't face any pressure.
Yes, this was really helpful.
Prathamesh, what is the role of your parents and teachers in your success? And what is your plan for the future?
I have been in this school from past 12 years, and I think the teachers have taught us in the best way, and they cleared up my doubts, and they took a lot of efforts for me, and I feel very proud that I have scored a good percentage. And talking about my career, I feel that I will pursue my career in BTech in computer science engineering. I am curious about the technical aspects about computer science engineering, so I feel that it would be more better for me to take this career and enhance my knowledge in this field.
Okay, indeed, it is a good plan. And the guidance, as you said, the guidance of parents and teachers is also very important.
Vedika, I would like to ask you that what is your secret behind your success?
I feel so consistency is very important. You always need to believe in yourself and always stay motivated. So for this you can set some daily targets, and once you complete it, you always will get some motivation. So it will be always helpful.
Yes, thank you. We would really like to follow. Siddhi, can you tell us that what do you like the most about our school, and what advice would you give to your peers who are striving to improve their academic performance?
The reason I feel that PSBA stands as one of the recognized schools all over the city is because our school not only encourages us to pursue everything academically, but also enhances the holistic development and provides opportunities in every aspect for the students' growth. The reason I feel that I could speak this confidently and courageously is because my school always motivated me to strive hard for my passions. Our school is renowned for inculcating and imbibing moral values, ethics and etiquettes. And one thing I would like to mention is that hard work always pays off in the end and efforts never go in vain. So believe in yourself, stay positive and give your best shot. That's it. Thank you.
I am really glad today to witness this beautiful occasion of felicitation program for our AISSE, that is All India Secondary School of Examination, and AISSCE, that is All India Senior Secondary Certificate of Examination, and the felicitation ceremony of our 10th and 12th board achievers. Dear children, just now I was going through your interview, and I really felt that our students have really grown up. They have become mature individuals where they are discussing about consistency, punctuality, hard work. Really, it fills my heart with great joy and enthusiasm to see such young shining stars discussing about all these deep moral values. I would like to just tell, not only for the young achievers but all the students sitting over here, few things which has contributed in the academic success. I would not say life success, but I will say academic success, because there are so many factors which has contributed in your academic success. First is taking birth as a human. You should be thankful to the Almighty to give you a birth as a human. Second thing is your parents, who have become your first teacher and sacrificed their all wishes and worked and supported you day and night with love and compassion, who held your hand always to help you to reach your goal. Third is your gurus, that is your teachers, who have kept you over and above, kept the students over and above their own kids, and always tried to groom you, guide you, and till the time you realize what is better for you, always pushing you towards your extreme potential. Fourth, your friends who have helped you and who have supported you to reach to your goal of academic success. Dear children, it's not alone your success, it's the success of so many people with you. And remember, if you want to succeed in your life, you need all these people. Blessings of the Almighty, good parents, good teachers, gurus, and good friends. Because this is all makes, it's a rare combination, which comes together and boosts you for your success. I personally feel that every successful person has all these factors. Because I will not say money, I will not say resources, I will say people. And now, for this upcoming generation, I would just like to try to connect with more and more people. Because people are nobody but the messengers or the people sent by God for helping you. Okay, God cannot come down for us, but He sends the people who supports and helps us. So let us bless with our social development. Try to connect with people. Don't get yourself isolated with gadgets. Instead, communicate. And dear children, for your future journey, I would like to give you some tips that develop good communication skills, which will definitely enhance your personality. Second, be humble, be polite, be confident, but don't be overconfident. Third, try to bring minute changes in your life, because the small changes lead to a great journey. Okay, success is not the destination. Okay, I want to become a doctor. Once you become a doctor, that will not be the success. The journey which is leading to becoming a doctor, that calls as a success. Okay, that teaches you so many things. That are the milestones which you achieve every year, every time, and you lead to your destination. So I would like to bless all of you. I would like to wish and pray to God that all the students of PSB English School should shine and develop with their maximum potential, and they should share their success with others. Dear children, always remember, once you become successful, you should not keep it to yourself. You should share, whether it is money, resources, knowledge, share it. The moment you share it and make others also enriched, that is the true quality of a successful person. Okay? So always remember, the more you will give, the more you will get. Alright? And all the students over here, dear children, develop this habit. Always try to give good things to other what you have. You can give a smile. You can give respect. Okay, it's not that you only have to give money. You can give so many things. You can give good wishes to others. And that will definitely make others' life also joyful and blissful. So I'm really thankful for the parents to taking out time from your busy schedule and attending today's event. Really, this event has become memorable for all of us just because of your auspicious and gracious presence. I would like each one of you to give a huge round of applause for our teachers of standard 10th and 12th who has put in their heart and soul for the success of these kids and the remaining kids who are not present here, because each one of them has reached up to their maximum potential in the board exams. And I want my young students over here, the juniors who are present, take inspiration from your seniors. And you also make sure that your success will not only be in terms of academics, but in your overall life. Okay, your personality, your behavior, your studies, everything needs to be pushed towards the maximum potential. And that is what an overall individual is all about. Holistic development is all about. And that is why we come to school. So I'm sure that each one of you will progress, and I pray to God Lakshmi Narayan to give us with good thoughts, because our thoughts convert into our actions convert into our habits, and our habits writes our destiny. So wish you all the best, and may God bless each one of you with the best wishes. Thank you. Jai Hind.